Hey, what is going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again. Today, Sunday Talk, we're just going to be reviewing the possibilities, what could happen next week. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, on Monday and tomorrow, it's a holiday in the United States. So I believe the markets will be moving like very slow, and they will be pretty much closed. So what to expect anyways for the rest of the days of the entire week. So right now what we're seeing is that it looks like the market has finally reached bottom. You know, it's been pushing up from this point. This was on the 16th. The market has been creating, you know, higher lows and higher highs every time, breaking structures to the upside. You know, breakout of a structure to the upside, pulling back, breakout of a structure, pulling back, breakout of a structure. Now looks like is going for the next structure right here, and so on. Right, we have very important zones right here, and this zone, and in this zone right here. But will it continue like that? Will the market actually continue pushing up? It's very weird. It's very odd that the market has been, even though we're still having the interest rates, inflation, all of that stuff, the markets are still pushing up. It's very, very weird, right? So traders are saying that this is just artificial bullish momentum. So at some point, we're expecting the market to fall again, to continue falling. All right. So, but still, we normally trade, since we're trading right now is just day trading. We're not swing trading at this moment because of especially for this thing. You know, at some point the market could actually continue crashing. So, just seeing the markets, like if you can see, even on a 4-hour, we are strong. We're strongly bullish right here. Market is definitely not showing signs of breaking structures to the downside just yet. So if anything, we're going to continue looking for buys, potential continuation of buys. Like right here, even on a 1-hour, you can clearly see that it did break this previous high. So yes, still breaking structures to the upside. Very aggressive. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles, 8 hours pushing up on Friday. So it was crazy. So let's go on US 30. Pretty much it's doing the same. If you go on a daily, you can see right here that it's breaking the structures again to the upside. Is it gonna stop right there, or is it gonna continue? It's still very, very bullish. Like we can see that it's been like this pretty much, you know, huge push, breaking structures. We can see that it had a breakout right here, then we had a breakout right here, then we had a breakout right here. It keeps breaking structures all the time to the upside. Just completely, it's very, very weird. S&P 500 also, like expecting perhaps some type of pullback, but then continuation. Like if you go in smaller time frames, we can just see that it is still bullish. Okay, start going in smaller time frames, it's very aggressively bullish right here. Maybe expecting some type of pullback to a potential order block formation, perhaps right here. Of course, going on smaller time frame as well to try to keep track of all potential order blocks at the bottom. But as I mentioned, direction is completely bullish right now. It's starting to look bullish, and it's breaking structures to the upside. If we go on bigger time frame, like you can clearly see that it looks like finally is going up. But it's very weird. Pull back, get a push, pull back, push. Now this push right here, this pullback broke this previous high. So it looks like it wants to continue pushing up. And perhaps, of course, we're going to have now maybe if it wants to continue pushing up, it will create a higher low, and then, you know, potential continuation. It's going to be very weird if it does that, but hey, we still have to, you know, keep an eye on this thing. And this, if you remember, this was coronavirus exploding. This was starting pretty much from January, price dropping, pulling back. Right here, it was the explosion in basically when Russia started attacking Ukraine. That's when it started crashing again. So you know that another issue is about to start on between China and Taiwan and the United States. So hey, who knows what could happen now at this point, as I mentioned. So bullish, starting at least on a day, the markets are definitely starting to look bullish. That's what we're going to be looking for next week. We're going to try to look for buys. And other than that, that's basically it, guys. So I just wanted to do a little review on Bitcoin. I don't know what you think. I'm not a crypto guys. I'm not a crypto person. I don't normally trade cryptos, but those who are trading cryptocurrencies, or especially Bitcoin, just keep an eye on it, because it's been bearish, right? It looks like, of course, it has also reached the bottom. It's reacting to this previous high right here on 2017. So market is reacting to that zone. However, look at what it's creating. It looks like a bearish flag, okay? We had a big ass bearish flag right here and a breakout and a huge crash after that. So we're having another potential bearish flag right here. So you know what could happen, okay? And I believe that if this thing breaks or starts showing weakness and breaks to the downside, oh, okay, we could be aiming now to at least right here, this previous high, and that's gonna be about what, the 13,000 or so. So I don't know what you think. Let me know in the comment section if you really think that Bitcoin is gonna just continue crashing, or it's gonna be recovering and it's gonna most likely be reaching the 40,000 back again by the end of this year. You really think that's gonna happen? I would really like to hear from you guys in the comment section. Let me know if you have any doubts, questions, guys, on the markets. If you're interested on learning what I'm actually doing, how I'm trading and what I'm teaching, I recommend you going to my website, teamprofitsenglish.com. You'll find out that I'm offering a bundle. Right now there is a 20% discount, and I'm offering a course, a mentorship, and a VIP signal group for life. It's all together, okay? Only one-time payment, only $96. It's a one-time payment. You don't need to be paying monthly fees or anything like that. You're part of the team forever. This is the actual VIP group here. This is where I post all my setups or my analyses, signals, entry. If I'm not trading, whatever happens, I am explaining here, and I'm posting videos and content every single day. And sometimes I do show some profits, even though I don't like sharing profits, because what I want is my students to focus on the strategy and mastering the strategy instead of thinking about money right now. So anyways, that's basically it for this Sunday talk today. It was just a quick video. As I mentioned, on Monday it's going to be a holiday, so I don't know, maybe we could have a slow week, or are we actually going to be pulling back? Like I really want to see what's going to happen. We're going to have some news also next week, but we'll have to see. All right, thanks again, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, guys.